Hello, hello, Crafting with Shay here. Welcome to another Munimade Monday. Yes, 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 you guys. Look at this Kat Fedora that we have from Munimade today. It's a brand new release. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. Let me just quickly introduce myself in case you don't know who I am. Again, my name is Shay. I do have a YouTube channel, Crafting with Shay. Em and I partner to make these videos together. But if you want to see more from me and see more diamond painting content, come check me out over at my channel. It'll be linked down below. All right, so, oh my gosh. I have had this for a while to film, but we do things in order, in priority. So this, I have been waiting and waiting and waiting, and it's finally time. And I feel like I'm just overly excited now, but I can't help it. This is a stunner, absolute stunner. Do not sleep on this. I have a feeling it's gonna sell out, but yeah, I love this. So let's go ahead and just look at the image first, okay? I can't get everything in frame. Again, it is a Kat Fedora, and it's called the Whispering Sea. So let me go ahead and just, so again, you've got a woman right here, as you can see right there. And it almost looks like she's got like a shell, right? This is what it looks like to me. You guys let me know what you see. I like how everybody interprets pictures differently. That's what I love about art. It looks like she's pouring out almost like a special, I don't know, it's got stars in it. It's like a magic, what do y'all think? A magic potion that she's giving to the seals. Look, you've got the moon in the background. You got the reflection on the ocean right here. And she looks like she's sitting on a rock. And looking at her and looking at her hair, she could possibly be even like an older woman, I'm thinking. Maybe not. So again, that's how I see it. But yeah, she's pouring this liquid, this beautiful sparkling magic liquid into the water. And then you've got these gorgeous, cute seals right here. You've got one seal that's getting a lot of it right here. And then there's another cute seal under the water right here. And you can see this whole seal, there's his tail. And you got this baby right here. And then you have another one here, and it looks like he's winking. So, and look at this beautiful water underneath. Yeah, this is spectacular. Just, it's stunning, absolutely stunning. So now that we've kind of gone over the canvas a little bit and let you take a look at it, let me go ahead and tell y'all some details about it, okay? Now this entire thing is a sticker, all right? So you can use these stickers any way you want to do it. I do cut this off halfway and put this in my logbook, and I use these to put on my storage containers because these are individually cut. And you can just, there you go, and you can just peel them and stick them right on your storage containers if you do kit up. And then also I do like that that we also have just the numbers here in case you want just the numbers and not all this information, okay? And all right, so let's talk about it, y'all. Here's the original artwork. It's so pretty. You can see the wind blowing, her hair is blowing. So again, it's called The Whispering Sea, and it is by Kat Fedora. If you like this artist, Em does have other artwork from this artist. So definitely go check it out and see what else is out there. I will tell you, if this happens to sell out by the time you go to grab it, or another one of her Kat Fedoras or anything else on her website that says sold out, make sure you sign up for the back in stock alerts because that'll get you signed up and you'll get an email whenever she restocks, okay? All right, so it is, so you have the start date and end date if you want to use this in your logbook. The diamond shape is round, so it's round diamonds. And the amount of diamonds is 58,163. It is a 60 by 76 in centimeters. And then there's inches, and there's your SKU number that's going to be listed on everything in case you store things differently and separately. It does have 55 colors. And you can see here by all these colors right here, these are all the special drills. It is chock full of drills. Before I started filming, I did go over and see where everything goes, and it's just chef's kiss, y'all. Just wait. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer drills. That's what the ND stands for. Then we have 1, 2, 3 ABs, and that's Aurora Borealis, and it's a special coating they put on there. So yes, you'll see the 2 different types of drills, and then there are some extra labels in case you need those, and even the individual ones as well, okay? So that is our sticker sheet. In addition to that, you also get, this will be wrapped around your painting. It's a little tag, it's a card, and it does have a little elastic band, and it's got the, it's got the SKU number, the drill shape, the size, the artist, the name of the painting. It's perfect. You can use this for several different things. You can actually wrap this after you're done with your diamond painting or until you're going to be working on it, wrap it up, put this around it. You can also put it on the carrying tube that we'll talk about at the end if you want to upgrade and get some additional things in your for the kit. So yes, it's just a great, great piece that really helps. Or you can actually put it in your bag of drills as well. If you store those separately, you can pop it right in the bag. So this tag is very, very helpful. I like that we do that. All right, let's go ahead. I've got my notes. It's got a lot going on, y'all, a lot, but I'm so excited about this. All right, so let me show you the color palette first. So you can kind of see there's a lot of blues, kind of deep blues, deep purples. Got some grays and greens. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, these drills are individually bagged and in order. Okay, there's that SKU number. So, as you can see the baggies right there. If you don't want to move these over to storage containers, you can just work straight out of baggies. A lot of people do that. And they'll just actually just put the label that's over here on the stickers and pop this right here with the symbol and everything. So yeah, you can definitely do that. So that is our, oh, it looks like a lot of that. That's probably going to be that blue, some of the background. Looks like there's 3 bags of that. Oh, I love the colors. I love this like teal right here. All right, so I had so much fun looking at all the special drills. There's just a great variety of colors. I know a lot of times we'll kind of see the same colors over and over again for ABs or shimmers, but this is like, I mean, look at this. They've got yellow, blue, or teal, pink, blue, white, purple, green. It's like everything. So I love the enhancements that were added to this, you know, the special drills that were added to this painting. I think they're great. All right, so let's start with 49, and that is 445, and that is a shimmer. See, ND means shimmer. Shimmer is just a light coating. It's real kind of subtle. It's a light coating that's on the drills, which is not too overpowering, which I really like. And this 445 is going to be that yellow in the moon right here, this inside of the moon. It's also going to be in these stars that are coming out that she's pouring out. All these stars are all going to be this, and in here, okay, in the water right here, the reflection of the moon, also down here in these stars. Okay, so it's really going to pop with that yellow. Perfect, perfect placement for those stars. Oh, I love that teal. So pretty. All right, so the next one is 50. And for all you purple lovers, there's a huge bag of 550. Purple lovers love 550. That's one of the DMCs I definitely know. And again, this is a shimmer drill. Now, the 50 will be the purple light in the left side of the water. So down here where you see all this purple around the seal's tail right here, it's going to be all throughout this darker purple in the inside. Okay, there's a lot of these. It's also going to be in the purple in the sky. All the purple here, here, there's some more here. So it's really going to highlight, oh, you know, I didn't leave the drills where they go. Let me do that. So I'm going to say the purple here. That yellow is going to be like here in the moon, okay? So you can kind of see where things are going to go. And then the next one is 51, and that's another shimmer, and that's 703, really pretty lime green. And this one's going to be the lime green in the water. So if we come down here to where, uh-oh, I just lost my drills. Right down here in that neon green here, 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 and right here, all in this green that you see down here by the seals. Is going to be that green, okay? So that's there. I'll have to get the yellow in a minute. Let's see. The next one is 52. Oh, I love this color, 959. Yes, yes, yes. Like a turquoise color. That is going to be the teal in the water. So it's I see a lot of it right here in this blue right here. And it's also I see it all over the place because this is a good size bag. It's all through this blue in the water. Yep, I see it all here. And it's also in the blue right here being poured out of the water right here with the stars. So that's going to be there. Let me grab my yellow. I hope I can get to it. Okay, yeah. All right, I got the yellow. All right, moving on. We've got 3 more to go still. So I'll put that there, okay? The next one is 53. Ooh, pretty, pretty pink. Now we're getting to the ABs. Can you see the coating is just a little bit heavier and a little more noticeable? See that special coating on there? So 605. It's just a little bag. So this is going to be in her dress, okay? Do you see the light pink in her dress right here? That's going to be this pink. So it's going to be in her dress. Perfect placement. Love that. And then the next one's going to be 54. Really, really pretty blue. 3846 AB. This is going to be the blue in the water. okay? I see it all over here. It says teal blue here and here. Yeah, so I definitely see that. I'm gonna put it like right, it's kind of like all, look how it's all spread out nicely. Oh, I love it. All right, the last one is 5200, and that's white. We definitely see a lot of this, you know, AB in paintings. It's great. It's a great accent. The white is actually in the seals. Okay, now this white is in a lot of places. It's in the seals. I kind of see it around their faces, highlighting them because we can't forget about the seals, right? It's also in her hair. I see little specks of it in her hair. And the best part of all, do you see all these? Let me bring it up a little bit for y'all to see. Do you see those? Whoa, you're sliding down. Do you see all those white speckles? Those are all the stars in the sky. All these white right here. That's all the white AB. Yes. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is just, again, chock full of, I mean, just everywhere. I absolutely love, love, love this painting. But let's talk about if you choose a premium upgrade with your painting. There's several different things you can do. We have chose a extra large purple dust cover bag. These are awesome. I would definitely recommend adding these to your cart. They do have a drawstring, okay? And they are great. They're great for storing your diamond paintings so they don't get dusty. A lot of times, you know, boxes can take up a lot of space, or sometimes they can, if they're not in a box, they can come unraveled. This is a wonderful way to store your diamond painting. You can also put your tag right here on the ribbon, so then you know what painting it is. Okay, so you can do that too. That's why I love that tag, but definitely grab one of these. So you have a purple, okay, and that's the color that will come with it. That's the one we chose. And in addition to that, it's a great way to get a 3D printed tray. Hello, I'm back editing Shay here. I did accidentally show you guys the mint tray, and I meant to show you the teal. So here is actually the correct color, which makes a lot of sense because that mint, there's a lot of that kind of mint teal color in here. So this blue makes a lot more sense because you can still see the colors in here. So yes, this is the color of the tray. Of course, it's just a swatch. I'll pop in a picture of the actual larger one, okay? All right, thanks guys, bye. Teal tray with a lid and a stopper, okay? And it'll say Munimade on there. I think it's a great choice for these two items. So definitely grab one of these. These are sometimes hard to come by. So add this to your kit. And I will tell you, if you do add one of these, because it's made to order, it could take up to a few extra weeks, okay, for everything to get to you if you do choose to add a tray, okay? So I just wanted to point that out. All right, you guys, what else are we missing? We talked about the back in stock alerts. Oh, free toolkit. Well, before we talk about that, if you do upgrade to the premium toolkit and you get one of these, you will actually get a really fun large organza bag, and it comes with a bunch of stuff. It's got washi tape, a novelty pin, tweezers, cover minder, blue wax, a pen, multi-placer. She puts candy in there, all kinds of little goodies. So this also comes with it. Now, if you would like a toolkit, this is just a basic toolkit. They are free, okay? So a lot of us don't need these. So, to save on waste, we don't automatically add them in there. So definitely choose in the drop-down menu free toolkit if you need one of these. It comes with a tray, pen, little caddies of blue wax, everything you need to start diamond painting if you are new, okay? All right, so y'all know how this goes. If you can hear the sound of my voice, this is available now on Munimade.com. I would run. I have a feeling this is gonna sell out, and if it is sold out for some reason, definitely do those back in stock alerts, okay? All right, love you guys so much. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye guys.